Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding practice. To be better prepared for the game of life, you need three daily wins: a physical win, like walking, running, lifting, or swimming; a mental win, like reading, writing, creating, and learning; and a spiritual win, like praying, meditating, studying, and growing. So be a complete winner and take action because all growth is experiential, not intellectual or philosophical. Keep it simple. The only way to get better at something is to practice. Every day is an opportunity to learn and grow. Rather than practice makes perfect, how about practice makes progress? Let's make perfection the direction and progress the goal. And remember, the only person you need to try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. Enjoy the day.